Hello guys and welcome to the video. So today we're gonna discuss about some of the features of Vesta Panel. So to get started, I'm getting started with the packages. So do you know you can use Vesta as a like WHM panel, like you can sell some of the part of your VPS to the to other persons and give them access to the specific parts of the panel or the folder. So to do this, we can create packages from Vesta Panel. So there are some packages already created. Let us add a new panel, and here we can give a package name. I'm naming it like YouTube package, and we can give the web template to hosting, proxy to hosting, DNS default, SSH no login. We don't want to give the user the SSH access. We can give unlimited, or like a user can add 5 domains if they buy this package. With per domain they can give 5 aliases, the DNS domains maybe 5, records you can give whatever you want. Mail domains unlimited, accounts unlimited, database unlimited, cron jobs maybe 5, backups, quota, bandwidth 1 GB of bandwidth, you can make it 10 GB. And the name servers that we have created, we.fun, let me copy it up. And yeah, I've given 2 name servers, and like this we can add package and click on add, and the package will be added. And then we can assign users to this package. So to add users, we can click on add user and give the username such as YouTube, and the password, let me give a password, admin@admin, email admin@, I don't know.com. Package, here we can see our package, YouTube package, and the first name may be you, last name may be tube, and click on add, and the user has been added. And we can see that the user have the access to like all the things we've given. And also we can edit them, we can edit the packages, the database is unlimited and everything. And then there's IP. Here we can see our redirected IP, then the graphs, the load, memory usage, bandwidth usage, and everything we can see from here. We can see the statistics, and we can see the log file from here, what we have done. We can click on updates and check for updates on some packages. We don't need firewall, we have seen the file manager. And here's the interesting part, we can and add, we have soft coolers. Do you know this interface? You have definitely seen this on cPanel, and here we have soft coolers for free on Vesta Panel, but we cannot install WordPress with it, because with the, if you click install, you can see that you cannot install WordPress with the free version. So you have to buy, you have to pay like $12 or $13 for a year, and you can buy soft coolers and you can do very cool stuff with it. Okay, let me go back, and here, from here, there's the main part. We have seen the users, we have seen the domains, we can add domains from here. We can manage DNS from here. We can manage mails from here. We can add uh, web mails like admin @we.fun. We can add web domains from here, but to add web domains you have to open the port of 143 and 587, and then here we can create databases from here, and we can access the database from phpMyAdmin. Here we can see there's a phpMyAdmin by default with Vesta, so you can get each and everything. And here there's cron. Like cron means if you know that the server can do some task automatically, and that can be done with cron jobs. We can add cron jobs from here, like the command and the time it will execute. And there's backup too, so you can take backup of every user and that's pretty much it. And also there's a interesting part, which is we can log in as YouTube, and yeah, we can see that from admin we have logged in as YouTube, and we get some of the very minimal access which we have given on the packages. So let us log out from YouTube and logged in as admin, and these are pretty much the basic features of Vesta Panel, and it's very fast and user friendly and easy to manage VPS. So this is pretty much, and thank you very much.